Certainly.
All right, sure.
All right. What's a pirate's favorite restaurant?
A pirate's favorite restaurant.
Yeah.
Well, I like Burger King is good.
No, man. Arby's.
Arby's! Oh, I get it. That's good, yeah.
You gotta remember that one. Come on, young pirate. All right. One last question.
Okay.
I'm not sure that he's a real pirate. Okay, I'll test him. All right, I'm testing him.
Okay, all right.
All right. So we know, pirate's favorite restaurant is Arby's.
Arby's, yes,
Okay.
yeah.
All right. Second question. It's a 3-part test.
3 parts.
Okay, here's the second one. What is a pirate's favorite type of socks?
Favorite type of socks?
Yes.
Well, I don't know. What is a pirate's favorite type of socks?
Argyles.
No! Argyles!
Now
Classic.
here's the real test now. You ready?
The real thing, I'm ready.
What's a pirate's favorite branch of the military?
A pirate's favorite branch of the military.
Yes.
What was that, sir?
Come on.
Thank you.
What is it?
It's the Army.
No, it's the Navy. He's a pirate. Come on, dude, get with it.
You got me.
I think he failed. It's all right. You like him anyway? I like you anyway.
Oh, thank you very much. I like you too.
All right, my friend. I hope to see you again.
Absolutely, it was a pleasure.
My name is Zach.
Zach, well, nice to meet you, Zach.
All right, you be good. And if you can't, be careful.
Oh, I'm always careful, Zach. Always careful.
All right. You ready? Let's go. Let's go. All right.
See you later.
See you later.